Hello everyone, I am Pradeep Palkar, working as a assistant professor in the Department of Instrumentation Engineering in AISSMS IIT Pune. In this video, we have to discuss the project teams and how to design teams. Okay, let's discuss the design teams. In previous video, we have to discuss about the what is mean by teams, uh, how to teamworks happen, importance of teamworks, project teams. Now, in this uh, presentation, we have to discuss the design teams. The firstly, design teams focus on the developing technical designs, models, drawing, and system layout. That is a simple definition of design teams. The design teams focus on the planning and creating solution, right? In the designing team, the common role in engineer, software, product development, domain expertise, analysis, these are the important compositions. What are the responsibilities? Convert the requirement into design solution, ensure the technical flexibility, maintain the quality standards, optimize the performance and cost. And see here, the function is that is a problem analysis, concept development, design and testing, and improvement and innovation. See here, one picture, uh, the different team members. Some are the innovative, creative, thinking, design. Some are the share the idea. Okay. Now, let discuss the team management. What are the factors? What are the factors of team management? The team management involves planning, organizing, leading, controlling the team activity. What is team management? The team management involves planning, organizing, leading, and controlling the team activity. The process of guiding, coordinating team members. That is a simple team management. And what are the key function? Assigning the task and responsibility. Every member give the task and their roles and responsibility. Day by day, your work. Assign day by day work. Monitoring performance and progress. Daily, every section monitoring performance and progress. Resolving the conflicts. Support, guiding the team members, motivating the team members. That is a very important part. Ensuring the resource availability. That is a very important role in the project manager, team manager. Providing resources, providing feedback. See here the team management, that is the set goals, implement goals, allocated resource, manage operations, develop relation with stakeholder, ensure the compliance, decision making and monitor performance. Now, these are the team and these are the management team. Why the key factor in the team leadership? The key factor in the team leadership. So what is meant by leader? The team leader guides, motivates, and supports the project team. Important leadership factor, very important, is that the, the leadership, the clear vision, direction, effective communication, decision making, integrity and fairness, emotional intelligence, ability to resolve the conflict. That is all the role of the team leader. Set goals, expectation, encourage the participant, encourage all the employees, all the team members, build trust, provide feedback and support, continuously provide the supports, aligns team efforts with project objective. And that is the good leadership, improve the team performance and commitment. Now, we'll discuss about the, see, already discussed the clear communication. Sharing the information expedition in a simple, accurate, and easy to understand way. That is the role of team leader. Strong decision making, choose the best course of action quickly and confidently after consider the key factors or key facts. Continuously motivate and encouragement, inspiring the other to stay positive, focused, committed to doing their best. Conflict management, handling the disagreement claims and fairly to reach and constructive solution. Trust and respect, that is very important part in the team leader and team management. That is a trust and respect, building the reliable relationship where the people feel away, valued and treated fairly. Now we'll discuss the types of motivation and job satisfaction, learning, achievement, rewards, promotion, recognition. That are the types of motivation. And team leader motivate that way. And different way, that is way to motivate project teams. Sometime awards, recognition, appreciation, opportunity for growth and training, positive and supportive work environment. These are the team leader motivate teams. Now the conclusion is the successful project depends on the effective teamwork, proper team structure, strong leadership, and continued motivation. Understanding the project team dynamics helps project managers achieve a objective effectively while maintaining the team satisfaction and performance. Thank you.